Before starting the installation, prepare the following tools: electric drill, hammer, wrench. Drill holes in wall with electric drill. Put the expansion screw into the hole. Hammer the expansion screw so that it goes fully into the hole. Use a wrench to tighten the expansion screw. Connect the two supports using the connecting piece. Fixed with screws. Install the M10 screws on the back of the cabinet. Align the M10 screws with the gold holes of the support frame. Connect and secure adjacent cabinets. Then install the second row of support frames and cabinets. Adjust the flatness of the cabinet to achieve complete flatness. Connecting the power cables to the cabinet. Use a network cable to connect the receiving card. Install the LED module. Installation complete. Power on test.